I'm here with my Dash mini griddle and I am making an apple omelet today.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So these are my ingredients. I have 1 small apple that I've cut into small pieces. I have 1 large egg and I have a pat of butter. And my Dash mini griddle has been plugged in and it's hot right now. The first thing I want to do is cook my apples. So I am going to take this pat of butter and put it in here. I want to fry the apples in the butter. And we're just going to fill this up with however many apples fit. So that's about half of the apple. I still have quite a bit of apple left. And I'm going to shut this and we'll come back in about 4 minutes. I have my Dash mini griddle plugged into this OK Pro solar portable power station. I charge this power station with solar panels, so we're actually cooking this meal with solar energy. And this Dash mini griddle is a 350 watt small appliance and it works very well with a 500 watt portable power station. Any portable power stations that have more than 350 watts will work with this product. While the apple is cooking, I want to beat this egg. I'm just gonna beat it up. If you like, you could add a little bit of water to the egg or a little bit of milk, or you could just use the plain beaten egg like this. It's been 2 minutes now, so let's check on the apples. Be very careful because this is very hot and the apples look like they are nice and soft already. You can see how some pieces turned really brown. So actually I think 2 minutes is all that's needed for these apples because they will continue to cook a little bit while we put the egg in, and we really just want to soften them up. Now, one other thing we can do if we want is we can add some cinnamon to these. You could also add some cinnamon sugar if you like that. I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon. I just want a very faint cinnamon flavor. Oh, it smells so good though. And now let's pour the egg on. Okay, don't do what I did. Pour the egg in the center. I poured it a little bit off center. Just take your spatula and push it in. Okay. Okay. And then let's close this and we'll come back and we'll check it in about a minute. All right, it's been a little bit more than a minute. Let's open this up. Wow, look at that. That looks like it's done. So I'm going to unplug this appliance. Always unplug them. Be very careful because they're very hot. I just got a plate. Wow, doesn't that look good? That looks so good. So what we can do is we could just add some apple pieces to the top of it and sprinkle a little bit more cinnamon. That looks so good. I just grabbed a fork and I can't wait to try this. It's been a very long time since I've had an apple omelet. I used to make these quite often. This is so good. I did not add any additional sugar to the apples, and they're really sweet. If you like super sweet, you could obviously add some sugar. I know some people like to add cinnamon sugar instead of just cinnamon, but I don't think these need that at all. It's kind of like an apple pie omelet. A little bit of cinnamon goes a very long way. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that I peeled most of this apple. I just left a little bit of the skin on. You can leave the skin on if you like that. This was not an organic apple, so I like to peel the skin off because usually there's wax on it, and if there's going to be pesticide residue, it would be on the skin. So that's why I did peel my apples, but you don't have to. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.